chow cheese from Phil Rose. Did you have to beep while I was talking?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, ThatChocolateVegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making bacon guacamole grilled cheese. Let's get started. Okay guys, starting off with the guacamole. I got this recipe off of Pinterest per usual. I had to make it vegan. Like, look at that. Yes. Anyway, I'm taking a whole avocado, gonna scoop that out. Then I'm scooping in some purple onions. No real measurement, guys. You see I'm literally taking a spoonful, about 2 spoonfuls of chopped up tomatoes, mashing that all together. Yes. Then I'm taking some cilantro that I did not pick apart like I thought I did. Don't leave the strings in. That was just lazy. Mixing that all together, guys. Add a little bit more tomatoes, some salt, mixing that in. And then I squeeze a whole half a lime into the guacamole, and that was it. I really don't have a fancy recipe for this, just your basic guacamole recipe. Okay, y'all, now it's time for the grilled cheese part. Now, as you know, we are doing vegan cheese, so you have to pre-melt it. Otherwise, you're gonna be in the struggle. I'm gonna be using chow cheese from Phil Rose. Clearly, your girl already been eating this, but it's none of your business. And of course, Daya Cutting Board Series cheddar. The oven is preheated to 350, and ordinarily you could just use parchment paper and pop the cheese right on this, but your girl didn't check, and I'm out, so that's pointless. I've already lined my pan with aluminum, and I'm just gonna put a little oil on here so the cheese hopefully does not stick. Boop, all right. Spread that all around here. Gonna do 2 slices of the chow and a pile of Daya. Ooh. I'm gonna set a timer for 3 minutes and then we'll check on our cheese. It didn't need that time. It didn't need all that time. So really it probably just need a minute and a half, okay? A minute and a half. Y'all already know I got my favorite vegan bacon from, I don't know, Be Vegan Make Peace. I don't know the name of the company, honey. But let me know if y'all know where to order this online, because I just know to get it from First Oriental here in Decatur. All right, so I'm gonna throw this on my pan. Let's do 2 slices. Let's do 2 slices.
I'm rinsing this one off.
I know y'all, I know this looks so freaking raw, but this is how I always eat it. I don't know how I'm supposed to do it. I've always just kind of let it cook for a minute and taking it off. It ain't real, I ain't gonna die. Put it beside our guac. Let's add our bread. And I have King's Hawaiian vegan bread, y'all. I didn't know this was a thing until I went in Kroger. Let's scrape some of this cheese off. Y'all know it ain't no perfect video because I'm involved. You already know. Look at this tragedy. The other piece here. Put some of our guac. Let's put some of our bacon. Oh, this is gonna be so bomb, y'all. And on this one, let's do the chow cheese. Let's see if that scrapes up any easier. This is why you're going to have parchment paper. Uh-oh, okay, chow. Okay, chow. Scraping up way better. I'm just do it with my hand, it's cold. I don't know why I'm using this spoon. Guac, bacon. Go ahead and flip this bad boy back here. Ooh, I done messed up the thumbnail already. Flip this bad boy here. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Taking both sandwiches off the stove, I'm gonna add some more butter and do 1 more sandwich. Yes, with the butt piece, don't you judge her. I'm taking the rest of the 2 cheeses, the chow and the Daya, and combining them, putting on the rest of the guacamole, and I'm gonna use my coconut bacon. I will have the recipe down below because I know everyone doesn't have access to the faux bacon. All right, I'm ready to cut into these bad boys. Oh my gosh, let's see. Can't really see the bacon oozing out like I was hoping. It looks like lettuce and cheese. Yeah, these are not pretty on the inside. I'm gonna add some more bacon. That's better. Ooh, oh my God. Okay, this is the chow version with the chow cheese. Listen. Oh my gosh. I can taste all the flavors. Like, yeah, the bacon is bomb, but the cheese is good, the guac is good, the bread is good. The Daya version, this is actually even good without the bacon. I did not taste the coconut bacon combo. That looks good inside. Y'all see that? Don't look at my disgusting fingers. Would I choose coconut bacon over the other bacon? No. And that's only for texture, and my coconut bacon is a little sweeter. Then, you know, that's really, like I said, it tastes more like ham than bacon per se. But this is bomb. If you can't get your hands on the faux bacon, put coconut bacon on there. Bro, it's good. Instead of adding a salty to it, it adds a sweetness to the sandwich. This is good. Y'all can't eat no more. I am full. Dang, this is good. Maybe just a side. Little guac off the side.
I should have had the shirt on. I had it on yesterday.
You did have the shirt on yesterday. These will be for sale October 19th at my next event.
Oh, Aaron told me nothing about me being on camera. I came here to pick up my child.
Yep.
Oh, Mel, yeah.
Yeah,
Eat
by the
this
way,
food.
camera's rolling.
I will eat, but I didn't want to be on TV. Okay. Oh, it's good though.
Yeah.
Oh, the bacon is
Don't that look legit?
taste too. I had to
It tastes like ham to me.
Vegan. I'm like, oh, it's vegan. This is not real bacon.
It is not
It
real
tastes
bacon.
like real bacon.
Really? Okay, I was thinking ham. Okay. Because I can't get it to crisp, but then again, I'm lazy, so you know, I didn't leave it in the pan too long.
Well, to me, it reminds me of a sandwich that just isn't right off the.
Gotcha. Which is
so-
true. It ain't right off, but off like 10 minutes.
I don't taste a difference.
Okay.
I did see a difference.
I had to pull it apart. That's different too. It's just, yeah, one is the diet cheese and one is that chow.
Oh, okay.
That's the coconut bacon.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay, so I should have tasted this one first
Gotcha.
because these two bacons were stronger.
That's true, right? I said that's like sweeter and that's like the saltier than bacon. Okay, so yeah. Like
But I do taste the bacon, but it's not as
bacony, yeah, like a.
as this one is. And I know how your bacon is. I know your coconut bacon.
Yeah, yeah.
It's legit. It is legit.
All right, guys, so there you have it. It's giving you the alternative. They're all good. Just whatever your taste buds prefer is what you're gonna do. I like the diet better if I had to choose. Which one?
I think I like the chow better.
Okay.
I don't know why. Maybe because it was my first bite.
Either way, make the sandwich. Right. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.